All right, guys, welcome back to another episode, and I am hurrying to get myself out the door because we just found something on Facebook Marketplace, and you know how those deals go. All right, so we got all the stuff out of the car, got it emptied. We're going on for a little drive. It's all the way out in Mission Viejo, so it's going to take me about 46 minutes, but we'll see how traffic goes. Hopefully I can get there and back before my wife gets off work. So let's get to it. Yeah, got everything. This is why I always make sure that I have plenty of gas in the tank. Never let yourself go empty. I usually refill around half a tank and then kind of go from there. I'm trying out this new mount here, seeing how this looks, seeing how it goes. Anyway, here we're off. We should be there by 3:43. But no, so I actually been looking to get one of these for the longest time for my garage, just to make life simpler with lifting and lowering the cars, working on it. In fact, it's funny because I actually have I have brakes that need to be done on the car, so I have to lift it up for that, take the wheels off and all that. Usually do it all at one time. Have some stuff to work on. I have the diffuser to put on. I have my rear exhaust finishers that I'm redoing, and also I need to replace my O2 sensors on my, what is it, the intake, so that way, because it's been acting up on me. I think one of the wiring just gone out, something that happened when I did the engine swap. But yeah, so that's all I got to add for this. I will catch up on the next side once we get to where we're going, and enjoy some B-roll in the meantime. All right, guys, well, we got it all in here. I swear this car can pull anything. Got both of them in. Got the pump. Got the standoffs, everything's in here. I'm just gonna try to configure it a little bit so that way I can put the front seat in, because it looks like I'm gonna be getting back right whenever my wife gets off work. And I think with where that's at, I should be able to put the seat up some, be able to fit that in there. And then we're gonna hit the road. All right, let's get back to it. Make our way home. We got a while. See, we should get there around 5 o'clock, give or take. All right, guys, so we're back. Next day, did get everything home successfully. Got it right here on the floor. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up a little bit. You know, my OCD-ness and being a detail and everything, but I have an idea. Let me show you here real quick. So this is my cabinet set up in the garage. Let me zoom out a little bit, get a bigger overall picture of it. The pump and everything with the trigger and the power, I'm actually clearing out the bottom drawer on this particular unit. I had just some various stuff that I use off and on, but not on the daily. I'm gonna move those out into the shed and back, and I'm gonna use this to actually house that in there. So when it's not in use, I can close it up, and when I need it, I literally could just open it up, pull out the remote, attach the hoses, and I'm good to go, and it'll automatically already be powered in. I just have to knock out that little hole right there. But yeah, so that's how that's gonna be. And right now I'm just doing a thorough cleaning of the garage because I have not cleaned this in a while. I got some of my brushes coming out super clean. I just got done cleaning this brush. I've been using this horsehair brush for the longest time. I think I had it for about 6 years, and I've never seen it brown before since I got it. It's actually been like jet black because I use it for like tire dressing and things like that for around the car. But yeah, so I will go ahead and keep at it, and I'll show you guys an end result, and we'll do a test lift of the car, which is out over there, dirty, needs cleaned, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, that is gonna be so awesome here. We finally have a lift in AJP Garage. This thing is amazing. I've been wanting one of these for so long. Check this out. Oh, that's so cool. Finally be able to just work on the car inside the garage. I have to pull a little bit forward. Let's see. Just a little bit. If I move it a little bit forward in the garage, past my normal spot, whenever I put this in, it lifts backwards. So here's a better little image of it. But this is so cool. I'm like just ecstatic right now. In fact, let me grab my light right here that my wife got me for Christmas. I love these Husky lights. Let's see. So if I need to work underneath the car, look how much room I have. Oh yes, I can get to everything. Okay, it supports 5,000 pounds. And I am pretty sure this thing weighs around 3,000 something. The actual weight of it. So let's test some stuff out here and see. I'm gonna use my modified creeper with my built-in LED lights. See how far back I can creep in there. Oh, this is so cool. Dude, I can get to everything. See how far back here I can go? It's firmly placed. Dang. Bro, I can go like all the way to the front of the car. And I'm pretty skinny, so I can fit underneath the car very easily as well. Bro, the drive shaft. There's so much stuff down here. It's just rust over the years though. Gotta say. Time for some TLC. I already got the new bushings for this. I think this is the crossmember. Yeah, I got these bushings from Overtake. Let's see, rear axle. Wow, a lot of stuff's actually really good condition still. I would have thought that these boots would have been worn out after a while. You see all the electronics, fuel pump underneath the rear seat. I'm like just so ecstatic. This is awesome. Rear control arm, easy to get out. Exhaust, easy to get to. This is perfect. Alright guys, well that will do it for this particular episode. Make sure you tune in. Coming up I'm going to be doing a new brake install. I think I got these LEDs coming in for my rear exhaust finishers, and I'm going to be putting the diffuser back on. So a couple things coming up in the future. And yeah, oh, I also have my O2 sensors I got to install, so I'll do a little short update video of that. But anyway, catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.